The offence of dangerous driving is much more serious than careless and inconsiderate driving and attracts much harsher sentences, including prison. But what is dangerous driving? Are there any defences? And what kind of sentences could you get? This is a community legal education presentation. My name's Nasir Hafizi, I'm a solicitor, and here's 4 points you should know about dangerous driving. Point 1. What examples are there of dangerous driving? Here's 8 examples of dangerous driving from court cases. 1. Motorway road racing with other drivers. 2. High-speed police chases. 3. Ignoring traffic lights and road signs, causing accidents and injuries. 4. Overtaking dangerously. 5. Driving under the influence of drink or drugs, including prescription drugs. 6. Driving when unfit, which includes having an injury, being unable to see clearly, not taking prescribed drugs, or being sleepy. 7. Knowing the vehicle has a dangerous fault or an unsafe load. 8. The driver being avoidably and dangerously distracted, for example, by using a handheld phone or other equipment, reading or looking at a map, talking to and looking at a passenger, lighting a cigarette, changing a CD, or tuning the radio, or putting makeup on while driving. Point 2. What is the court test for dangerous driving? The offence of dangerous driving under Section 2 of the Road Traffic Act 1988 is committed when your driving falls far below the standard expected of a competent and careful driver, and it would be obvious that driving in that way would be dangerous. Point 3. What sentences are available for dangerous driving? If you're convicted of dangerous driving, you could be sentenced in either the Magistrates' Court or the Crown Court, depending on how serious the allegation is. At the Magistrates' Court, the maximum sentence is a £5,000 fine and up to 6 months in prison. And if you're sentenced in the Crown Court, it's an unlimited fine and up to 2 years in prison. And whether you are sentenced in the Magistrates' Court or the Crown Court, you will also lose your licence, will have to take a retest, and your licence will be endorsed with points. Point 4. What will you do at court? Some defendants, through their lawyers, successfully argued that the driving was not dangerous but careless, thereby attracting a much less harsher sentence. And some defendants argued that the driving was not dangerous or careless at all, but was necessary in the circumstances, and any competent driver would have done the same if faced with the same dire situation. For example, they may argue that they were attempting to avoid a collision with a pedestrian who walked into a road. Whatever you do before you go to court, get advice from a solicitor who specialises in driving offences. And finally, remember to drive safe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Community Legal Education so you can watch more videos in the series and many more. Please donate via Patreon or via my funding page so we can make more online legal explainer videos. Please speak to a solicitor if you need legal advice. And may the justice be with you.